You've heard me talk about the Marie Veronique and Kristina Holey skincare brand before, whether it's here on YouTube or over on Instagram. Today I want to share with you sort of my best of Marie Veronique, of the products I've tried. There have definitely been some things that I've tried that have made a huge impact on my skin and some not so much. So today I'm going to share with you a quick review, and if I don't get to everything on my list, I will put a blog post up with more information on the products and my thoughts over on my blog, mikaelasouth.com, and you can always DM me or send me a message there if you have any questions as well. This brand places an emphasis on microbiome-friendly ingredients. Now, I know that's a newer topic in the skincare community, so if you're curious about the microbiome, the skin biome, it is definitely on the new frontier of where skincare is going. I interviewed Marie, so you can check out her thoughts on the skin microbiome and how it's related to the skin barrier. These are important topics for you to know about because it really plays a role in the health of your skin. To start, the cleanser. This is the Pure Essential Oil-Free Oil Cleanser. If you've been following me for a while now, or if you're new to my channel, I am a huge fan of oil cleansing. I have been for years. I feel like I've been oil cleansing my whole life. So I'm always intrigued to find a oil cleanser. And this one is made with omega-6 oils. And I have to tell you, the first time I started using this, the scent was very off-putting for me. A lot of the products have, to me, they have kind of a sour, kind of almost salty scent to them. And it's not going to be this, the brand in general has taken a stance on fragrance-free products as well as essential oil-free products. There are a handful of items that they've added essential oils to, but for the most part, I think that fragrance and essential oils can be very irritating for sensitive skin, which I have. So I really appreciate that they didn't put the fragrance or added all these essential oils to make it smell good in there. Of course, essential oils can be beneficial for the skin, but since I have sensitive skin and I'm prone to rosacea, and I can get over the fact that it doesn't, have this gorgeous smell. So I got through the cleanser, and I'm going to show you how it works to remove a full day's worth of makeup, grime, and dirt on my face. I'm getting ready for bed. I'm ready to take off all my makeup from today. So I thought it was the perfect opportunity to show you the cleanser. This is the Pure Essential Oil-Free Cleanser. So what I like to do is kind of shake it up for a second, and then I do about 1 to 2 pumps into the palm of my hand, and then I'm going to massage it onto my skin, adding a little bit of water. I don't know how this is going to work. Whoop. There's oil in my hand. And for the first minute or so, I just kind of massage into my skin, and I can feel and see that the makeup is already, you can kind of see, I don't know if I can get close enough for you to see this, but you can see that the makeup is breaking apart really, really fast, which is great. And I do this for about a minute with this cleanser, and then I add a few splashes of water onto my hand, and I go back to the face. So I'm gonna do that right now. Add the water, see how it kind of emulsifies a little bit more? So it gets even creamier. So I'm just gonna keep massaging until I feel like I get a really good massage into my skin. And they don't suggest that you put this around your eyes. So I'm not gonna move into the mascara and all the eyeshadow that I have on. I'm gonna stay away from that area and just use, I have like a eye makeup remover that I like to use. I keep massaging my skin. It actually feels really nice to give your skin a massage. It's been something I've been doing for years. You can work on your jawline, on your forehead, and I like to do circles around my eyes. And I just kind of massage until I feel like I see the makeup really breaking apart, and then I go rinse it all off. After the cleanser, I use the Balancing Hypotonic Toner. This sat in my cabinet for the first couple of months and didn't get used. I hadn't used a toner in a couple of years. I don't know, I just sort of fell out of the habit of using one. And toner is actually really important to use. It helps to rebalance your pH on your skin. So even after you use a cleanser and before you use serums, toner can be really helpful just to kind of recalibrate the skin and, as it says, rebalance your microflora, which is, all the good bacteria on your skin. And I noticed as soon as I used this, now I put it on a cotton pad, press it into my skin, it definitely had a reduction in the redness right away. And it was non-irritating and it felt really comfortable and good. So once I put the toner on, then I'd proceed with the serums. I have gone through each of these. I actually went through these and emptied them a couple months ago. But I've been holding on to them as I've been working my way through some of the other products I'm trying. During the day, I like to use the vitamin c+e+ferulic serum. This is your giant antioxidant serum. Vitamin C helps to brighten the skin and build collagen. And then the soothing B3 serum. This serum is so calming for the skin. It has 10% niacinamide, one of my favorite ingredients to help brighten the skin, lighten any darkness or like dark spots on your face. And it also has humectants in here, which is going to keep the moisture in your skin and prevent moisture loss. Want the moisture in the skin. And then I top it off with the Barrier Restore Serum. This is actually my second bottle of this product, and I like it as a last step. It is very hydrating, kind of locks in the moisture. It's not a cream. This is going to penetrate your skin and sink in and be kind of your final step. So these are the 3 serums I was using. And then at night, my standout products have been the Micronutrient Hydro Mask, which has been like just such a saving grace for my face this winter and for the last few months. It's incredibly hydrating for the skin. It's a mask that you leave on and for about 20 to 30 minutes. And then when you gently wash this away, your skin feels so hydrated and nourished at the deepest layers of your skin. They call it a total reset, and it truly is. Now, for exfoliation, I had a conversation with Marie about exfoliation, and her and I both agree that it's important to really pull back on the exfoliation and really be strategic about it. Otherwise, it can be very disruptive for your skin microbiome and the microbiota on the skin, and it can disrupt the skin barrier, and a whole host of issues come up when you've just been too aggressive with your exfoliation. So this is the probiotic exfoliating mask. This, I don't have any disruption with using this mask. There have been so many exfoliating masks out there that tingle and burn and cause a huge peel on your face. And I've been reluctant to use products like that because I always get really red skin, and I think it's too disruptive to that skin microbiome. So this is really, really gentle. I brush this on, leave it on for maybe 2 to 5 minutes, and it helps dissolve all the gunk, all the dead, dry skin, any rough patches on your face. So I like this one to use as an exfoliant. So those were my top picks from the brand. These are the ones that I've used completely up, that I didn't talk about the barrier lipid complex yet. This is the final one, maybe the most special to me, because the very first night I used this product, I could not believe how cushioned and silky smooth my skin felt the next day. It's definitely a standout product. If you are looking for kind of that one product to try from the brand, I think the Barrier Lipid Complex, anybody could use. Marie says that everyone needs cholesterol, the good fat, just like we eat avocados and nuts and all those healthy omegas that we eat and have healthy skin from the inside out. It's really important to have healthy fat on your skin, and this has cholesterol in it to help calibrate your skin with those healthy fat levels. So this is an all-star product as well. Now I'll just quickly mention a couple of products that I just didn't notice like the biggest difference with, and you know, not everybody is gonna jive with every single product all the time. That's okay. The everyday coverage tinted sunscreen, I tried and I really wanted to love, but unfortunately just the coverage and the makeup tint didn't sit well on the skin and it kind of broke apart. The protective day oil, this one has a little bit of essential oil in it, so it does smell really beautiful. I find that if I use this during the day, it has to be on a day where I don't wear any makeup. Otherwise, the makeup just doesn't want to stay on because it's so hydrating. So it's like on one of those days where you're not doing anything but like sunscreen and skincare. And then the Gentle Retinol Night Serum. I'm gonna continue trying to use this product. I really haven't noticed a big difference with this. I have used retinol before, and I don't know if maybe my skin is, you know, used to some of the stronger products of retinol, but this Gentle Night Serum Retinol just hasn't been, I just haven't really been seeing any results with this one, but the other ones definitely. So that's just kind of a quick recap. I didn't want to go into too great of detail into all the products because if you have any questions, you can DM me here on YouTube or over on my Instagram account. And I am in contact with the brand so I can get any questions answered for you if you have anything specific that you want to ask. So I hope this video was helpful, and let me know if you have any questions. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, and if you are curious about this brand, I'll put the links, like I said, to the other videos when I feature these products below. I'll see you soon. Bye.